This is a Veeam backup file, usually incremental. It stores changes to a virtual machine. You need the Veeam Backup and Replication console to restore from it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's restore the VM. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn VBK files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. The VBK file is stored following the guidelines established for the ebook file designation. The internal manifest relies entirely on the Veeam Backup File Format. A VBK file primarily refers to a Veeam Backup file, which is a full backup created by Veeam Backup and Replication software. It contains a complete copy of the virtual machine or physical server being backed up. However, due to user database override, it can also refer to an ebook guide. Veeam backup files are designed for efficient storage and restoration of data. They often utilize compression and deduplication techniques to minimize storage space. The VBK file serves as the foundation for incremental backups, allowing for faster backup times and reduced storage requirements. Veeam also uses reverse incremental backups. Your first application to test with VBK should be Veeam Backup and Replication from Veeam software. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows offers minimal support for ebook metadata and styling, so full access requires proper tools. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the VBK file and hit Open With. Use Veeam Backup and Replication if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. When a VBK file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the VBK file is still stubborn, look for one of these three basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, use Veeam Console. Open the file using Veeam Backup and Replication Console and use the Import Backup function to load the virtual machine data. Next, check repository. Ensure the backup repository is online and that the file is located within a defined repository folder. Finally, use Extract utility. Use the Veeam Backup File Extractor utility to browse and extract individual files from the compressed image. When the VBK file rejects every application attempt, we are now compelled to use the ultimate software bypass. The simple final fix is the right move to try for this file type. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence regarding VBK. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week. Have a great day.